If you're looking for a great family home to lease in a guard-gated neighborhood with all the amenities and fabulous views, then check out 5 Tarascon. Let's go inside and explore.
I'm Kiwi of the coast, the agent with the most.
Downstairs layout, formal living room with its own fireplace, direct access to that garage with the new epoxy floors and the inside laundry. Upstairs, second floor, I've got a great courtyard just to my left and formal dining. Back to my favorite area is the kitchen great room. Complete kitchen with center island. It's got all the brand name stainless steel appliances, a pantry that you don't see very often. I'm going to volunteer to do the dishes right here because I can see the city lights, downtown LA, and those Disneyland fireworks. Great entertainer's backyard back here. Nice barbecue. I can sit here, dining al fresco, or someone else barbecues those burgers. Nice pergola, set up your dining room table there, and a grass area for the family. Don't forget the glass doesn't obscure those city lights views. It's fabulous. So this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home comes with this fantastic upstairs loft area. What am I going to use it for? Well, could be a gym, work at home area, or I put the big screen TV there and it becomes a nice TV room. To my right, upstairs laundry, very handy. Bedroom number 1 has its own little balcony, shared with a bathroom that has separate vanities with bedroom number 2. Magic is always in the master. Spacious, it's got windows on all sides, ceiling fan to keep you cool in those hot days. View profile is fantastic. Master bathroom has its own standalone tub, separate walk-in closets, nice shower in the middle there, travertine tile, everything that you'd want with extra storage in a master bathroom. So if you want to lease a home with that view and all the amenities that Newport Ridge North has to offer, those twin guard gates, all the Junior Olympic swimming pools, tennis, basketball, all the good stuff, call me, that number down below, and we'll see you on the next video.